Hello, dear students. Today learn seventh chapter. Chapter name Motion, Force and Work. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण 7व्या पाठाविषयी चर्चा करणार आहोत. आतापर्यंत आपण 6 पाठांविषयी चर्चा केलेली आहे. मोशन म्हणजे गती, फोर्स म्हणजे बल, वर्क म्हणजे कार्य. आता काही तुम्हाला मित्रांनो 7.1 वर्क या चित्राविषयी आपण थोडासा डिस्कस करूया. या ठिकाणी घोड्यावर घोडा धावताना दिसतं. या ठिकाणी म्हणजे मोशन, मुवमेंटवर आहे. मुवमेंट. काऊ ग्रास इट म्हणजे गाय गवत खाताना तोंड हलवते. त्या ठिकाणी म्हणजे तिथेही मोशन व्हायला लागलेले आहे, हालचाल व्हायला लागली, मुवमेंट. आणि एक माणूस कार्ड ओढायला लागलेले, गाडी ओढायला लागलेले. आणि गॅसवर त्या ठिकाणी कुकर आणि दूध आहे. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी मोशन या ठिकाणी जे व्हायला लागलेले आहेत वेगवेगळे डिफरंट टाईप्स म्हणजे मोशन आहे. त्या ठिकाणी प्रत्येक गोष्ट या ठिकाणी मुवमेंट व्हायला लागलेली आहे, म्हणजे हालचाल व्हायला लागलेली आहे. लक्षात घ्या विद्यार्थी. आणि हे सर्व हालचाल जे आहे हे जे मोशन आहे हे मोशन कशावर डिपेंड आहे तर ते फोर्सवर डिपेंड आहे. फोर्स म्हणजे बल. ज्या ठिकाणी आपण बल लावला तरच त्या ठिकाणी ते मोशन त्या ठिकाणी होतो. आणि त्या मोशन याच्यावरून म्हणजे मुवमेंट झाला की मुवमेंट ऑब्जेक्ट एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जर मुवमेंट झाला आणि तो मुवमेंट कशामुळे होतो, फोर्स अप्लाइड केल्यामुळे, बल लावल्यामुळे तो वस्तू किंवा प्राणी या एका ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी जातात. त्यामुळे त्या ठिकाणी वर्क डन होतो, कार्य होते. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपल्याला या ठिकाणी सविस्तर असं चर्चा करायची आहे. या ठिकाणी आणखीन we have seen that a change occurs in the motion or the shape of a body when a force acts on it. Now let's see how work is done when a force acts. Displacement and distance and displacement. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, डिस्टन्स म्हणजे अंतर आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट म्हणजे विस्थापन. या दोन वेगळे आहेत. या ठिकाणी तुम्हाला एक चित्र दाखवलेलं आहे पहा 7.2 मध्ये, डिस्टन्स अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट. रणजितचं घर जे आहे ए आहे आणि त्याची शाळा जी आहे ते डी आहे. रणजित's हाऊस ही is at place A. The figure alongside shown the distance traversed by Ranjit to reach his school at D. If we do not take direction into account, we find that Ranjit traversed a distance equal to AB plus BC plus CD. However, on doing this, his displacement was equal to AD. Ranjit's displacement from his house to the school is shown in the picture with the broken line AD. AD is the minimum distance along a short line from Ranjit's house to the school. The minimum distance traversed in a particular direction along a straight line is called displacement. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, रणजितचं घर म्हणजे ए आहे आणि त्याची शाळा म्हणजे डी आहे. पण त्याचा जो रस्ता आहे ए पासून बी पर्यंत आहे आणि बी पासून सी पर्यंत, सी हून डी अशी त्याचा रस्ता आहे. आणि पण त्याचा जो शॉर्ट रन म्हणजे एकदम शॉर्टकट, आपण जाताना शाळेला एखादा शॉर्ट रस्ता शोधतो, तो शॉर्ट रस्ता म्हणजे डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे. आणि त्याचा जो रस्ता आहे ए पासून बी, बी पासून सी, सी पासून डी, हा म्हणजे अंतर आहे विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. हा म्हणजे डिस्टन्स आहे आणि डायरेक्ट A to D म्हणजे त्याचा तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट आहे, म्हणजे जे शॉर्ट आपण शोधतो. आता त्याची व्याख्या पाहूया. डिस्टन्स, व्हॉट इज द डिस्टन्स? द लेंथ ऑफ द रूट actually traversed by a moving body irrespective of the direction is called distance. Distance is a scalar quantity. Student, listen carefully. Is a scalar quantity. And displacement, the maximum distance traversed by a moving body in one direction from the original point to reach the final point is called displacement. In displacement, both distance and direction are taken into account. Therefore, displacement is a vector quantity. Dear students, displacement is a vector quantity. The unit of measurement of distance and displacement is the meter. In the SI as well as in the MKS system of measurement. Now, velocity, speed and velocity. What is meant by speed? What is the formula of calculating speed? When we say that the speed of our car is 40 km per hour, there is no need to specify the direction, but to predict whether a storm will reach a particular place or not. A mention of its direction essential. Now, velocity is the distance traversed by a body in specific direction in unit time. The velocity of body can be calculated by the following fountains. Now, formula: velocity equal displacement upon period of time required from the displacement. Dear students, let's find the unit. Now, task: write the formula, speed and velocity. Now, we all write in, dear students, in these formulas. The unit of speed or velocity is written as meter and seconds, ms. Let's us now use the above formulate to find out Ranjit's velocity and speed when he goes to school, as shown in the figure 7.2. Dear students, the actual distance traveled by Ranjit from home to school, AB plus BC plus CD. AB plus distance 500 meters and BC distance 700 meters and CD distance 300 meters is equal to 1500 meters. Total home to school is equal to 8 minutes 500 meters and 700 meters taken 11 minutes and 300 meters taken 6 minutes. Now, total 25 minutes Ranjit's displacement from home to school. AD is equal to 1000 meters. This Ranjit's velocity when going from home to school, dear students. Now, velocity is equal to displacement upon total time. Displacement 1000 meters and total time 5 minutes is equal to 40 meters and 60 seconds is equal to 0.66 meter seconds. He is now Ranjit's velocity, dear students. Ranjit's speed while going to school. Now speeds, dear students, we see speeds displacement traversed upon total time is equal to 15 meters, 1500 meters. Now taken time 25 minutes. Now 60 meters and 60 seconds upon is equal to 1 meter per seconds. Now this is the speeds in Ranjit's, dear students. Ranjit did not take on the straight route of minimum distance while going to the school. Therefore the magnitude of his velocity and speed come out to be different. Had Ranjit actually gone by the straight route AD, then the magnitude of his velocity and speed would have been the same. Now average velocity and instance velocity, the velocity of an object can change even while it is moving along a straight line. Suppose that a truck is covering a distance of 40 kilometers from A to D in a straight line. That is, its displacement will be 40 kilometers. Now A, B 10 kilometers and BC 10 kilometers and CD 20 kilometers is displacements. If it required altogether 1 hour for this, its average velocity is 40 km hour. However, if the truck travels the 10 km distance AB in 10 minutes taken, BC in 20 minutes and CD in 30 minutes, then velocity for the distance AB in kilometer per hour 10 is equal to 10 kilometers taken upon 10 minutes. Now convert 60 kilometers, now 60 minutes upon is equal to 60 kilometer per hour in this velocity of AB. Now deduce the velocity for the distance BC and CD. We see that the velocity of the truck is different in the different segments of the road AB, BC and CD. However, the average velocity for the entire route AD is 40 km per hour. The velocity at a particular moment of time is called instantaneous velocity. The instantaneous velocity can be different at different times. Dear students, acceleration. What acceleration म्हणजे त्वरण, विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. नो ॲक्सेलरेशन काढायचा फॉर्म्युला कोणता आहे बघा तुम्ही, त्याचं सूत्र ॲक्सेलरेशन इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन व्हॅलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम टेकन फॉर चेंज. या फॉर्म्युल्यानुसार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो आपल्याला त्याचं त्वरण काढता येतो. इन दिस various examples. The truck covered the distance AB at the velocity of 60 km per hour, BC at 30 km per hour, and CD at 40 km per hour. It means that the velocity for the distance CD is greater than the velocity for the distance BC from the number of seconds required for this change in velocity to taken place. The change in velocity per second can be deduced. This is the called acceleration. What is the cause of accelerations? You know that the truck driver increase or decrease the velocity of the truck by means of the accelerator. You might have seen a toy car that runs on a clockwork spring. When it is released on a flat floor, after winding up the spring, it goes in a straight line. However, when it is hit on one side, it changes direction and keeps going. If it collides into a wall, it stops. It means that its velocity changes. How did this change take place? It happens because the car comes into contact with something external to it. On a football ground, how does the direction of the ball moving in straight line change? We see some player change its directions by kicking it. When its direction change, the velocity of the ball change. That is to say, an accelerations take place. The interaction that bring about the acceleration is called force. Force acts on a body. Dear students, use your brain power. That unit of acceleration is meters seconds. Verify this. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, थोडं तुम्ही आपल्या डोक्याचा वापर करा. तोरण जे आहे, तोरण मोजण्यासाठी जे एकक वापरलं जातं ते मीटर सेकंडचा वर्ग वापरला जातो. फोर्स अँड ॲक्सेलरेशन. बल आणि तोरण. Take a glass marble and let it roll on a big smooth table top. After some time, its velocity will decrease and it will stop. On a carom board, to the carom coin pushed by striker will move forward some distance and then come to a stop. If the coin is pushed after applying talcum powder to the carom board, it will keep moving from a longer time and then come to stop. What can we infer from this? The velocity of the coin decreases due to force of friction, and the coin stops if the friction between the carom board and the coin. He's reduce the coin on keeps moving from for a longer time. It would mean that if no force of friction is acting on a moving body, it will keep on moving what a constant velocity. Dear students, the scientist Sir Isaac Newton was the first to study force and the uh, resulting accelerations. Dear students, first Newton's first law of motion. If no force is acting on a body, its velocity does not change. Texta, the body does not accelerate. In other words, if a body stationary, it will remain stationary. If it in motion, it will continue moving with the same velocity and in the same direction. You have learned that meant by force. You have seen that a body is accelerated due to force. Suppose you place the 1 kilogram standard weight. See the chapter on measurement. On a surface with no friction and pull it, the acceleration of 1 meter per second. Force applied is called 1 Newton. 1 Newton. Dear students, use your brain power. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Is force a vector quantity to